it's important to have on your bass boat. I've got one that I ordered in. It's from Colhurst. It's a universal buzzer, and I'm going to wire it in to my marine controls. So if the engine starts to overheat, I'm going to have an audible warning that we've got a problem. It'll start buzzing, so it'll notify me to take appropriate action. And when you're installing these screws, you want to make sure that they're not so long that they're going to stick through the fiberglass on the other side. So we had about 3/4 inch plywood here that they've used as a mounting bracket. So I made sure that my screws were shorter than the 3/4 inch so they wouldn't go through the fiberglass on the front side of the console. And now I just need to hook, we've got the signal wire from the Mercury controller, and then per the instructions, I just need to hook the other side up to a power source, ignition 12 volts on, and then we'll be done. And we've got our power source, and then we also have our warning source from our Mercury controllers hooked up. Give them a good tug, make sure that we've got a good solid install. Okay, and that's it.